Hi, I'm Nina Klotfelter. I want to teach you how to take care of your Supreme slider today. This is a Queen Supreme slider. It is white on the surface and it is pink on the back. This back surface is sticky and it's absolutely magnificent. It will stick to your sewing machine surface. I have a wood surface and plastic and it still sticks to mine. If you keep this clean, it will stay sticky. When it's no longer sticky, it's time to clean it. You won't always see all the lint on here, but it is time to clean it when it won't stick anymore. Even if you get a few stitches around the hole, because it's gone along with you on your quilting, it's okay. Mine has that too. But let's learn how to clean this. When you look at the back side of your Supreme slider, it doesn't look like there's lint there. But after every project, wash it and see what happens. Just regular dish soap, Dawn dish soap, rub it onto the back of the slider, the pink side. And look at all this lint that shows up. And we couldn't see it before. Just wash it with your hand, rinse it off, and all that lint disappears. Now what you've done is you've made it brand new again. Oop, get all the soap off. But now it's brand new sticky all over again. I turn mine over and I give my front just a little bit of a wash. And there you go. Just like new. If you keep this clean, it will last you forever. Just one. Enjoy.